Hey friends! Today we're diving into one of the most important layout tools in modern CSS. This is the Flexbox. Before Flexbox, web developers used floats, inline blocks, or even tables to arrange elements. These techniques were difficult to control, required extra CSS hacks, and often broke layouts when things changed. Flexbox was introduced to solve those problems. It gives us a clean, flexible way to design layouts that work on different screen sizes with minimal effort. So, what is Flexbox? It's a layout model that allows elements inside a container to align, stretch, shrink, grow, and wrap, all depending on the space available. You start by applying display flex to a parent element. This instantly turns its children into flexible items that follows the rule of the flexible model. With Flexbox, you can easily switch the direction of content from horizontal to vertical using flex direction. You can align content horizontally with justified content and vertically with aligned items. You can also make items grow or shrink to fill space, wrap them to new lines if needed, and even change their order, all with just a few lines of CSS. Flexbox is great for navbars, image galleries, card layouts, and almost any part of a responsive design. So, we're going to compare a float-based layout with a flexible layout, show how much cleaner and simple Flexbox is. And now that we see the code in HTML, so you should remember when we did the boxes with inline block, and we combined them. So return to that video and come back here and you can compare the boxes. So now you understand what is the Flexbox, and I'm very proud of you. So in the next video we are going to talk about the Flex container. Let's go.